In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a comment in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to add a comment, here's how to do it. Here's my example spreadsheet and I want to add a comment on this cell right here. So let's say it's the wrong date and I just want to tell the people that I'm collaborating with that they might want to double check on it. So to add my comment, I'm going to simply just tap on that cell, then go to the insert tool at the top. There we have it. And here are the things that we can insert on our cells. One of them would be on the second row, comment. Let's tap on that. So if you are collaborating with other people, you can simply tag them, especially when you want a specific person to see this comment, to put in the @, then their name or their email address. Then they will directly receive a notification about this comment that you're going to insert. But I'm not going to do it on this comment right here. I'm just going to simply put in kindly double check on the date. There you have it. Once you're done typing your comment, just tap on the arrow pointing to the right to insert that comment. And there you have it. We've successfully inserted the comment. And one thing for you to know that there is a comment on that cell would be this yellow triangle right here. So you'll see it once there is a comment existing on a cell or once you're done inserting that comment. And there you have it. So another way to insert a comment, let's say we want to put in a comment on this cell right here. So we have our week number 3, and another way to do it would be to just tap on it again until you see these options. So we have 5 options. We have cut, copy, comment, clear, and note. Again, we have the comment option there if we tap on it, and then you can just again type in the comment that you want for that cell. Great sales for this week. And then when you're done typing, just tap on the arrow pointing to the right. And there you have it. Again, we have that triangle on the top right corner of that cell indicating that there is a comment. Now to view all the comments that you have on your spreadsheet, all you have to do would be to tap on that comment icon at the top. There you have it. We have those 2 comments. We have the comment for the cell that contains week 3 and the other comment indicating about the date. And there you have it. That's how you can add a comment on your spreadsheet using your Google Sheets app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.